Zoom da येणार तो
सगळं झालं काय बोल रहा हूँ मैं गोवा एड्रेस अरे फॉर्म देने का बोलो तो गोवा
अरे इनको थोड़ा और वहाँ सीधा स्ट्रेट लाइन करा दीजिए काफी लोग
Airport Authority of India Goa International Airport is during this time of distress is working 24/7, and today we are sending the 19th relief flight. This 19th relief flight is going to Stansted, UK, and is carrying around 315 passengers plus one infant in it. To make this happen, lot of teamwork has gone inside. Our operations people, our engineering people, our housekeeping staff, CSS staff, custom people, as well as immigration people, and all the people have joined hands together, and it is the result of the joint teamwork that we are today able to send more than 3,000 passengers to their different destinations around the globe. This effort is continuing, and this will continue. As per the present information available with us, we are having 2 more flights in coming 4 days, and then we are expecting next week we shall be having 3 more flights, probably to UK, and there are other indications available that other nations are also going to come with their relief flights. Goa Airport is fully geared up to take up this challenge and see to it all its passengers and people are duly taken care for, and today's flight we have got around 50 wheelchair passengers. So all those arrangements have smoothly been worked out and have been taken care for. All assistance to the councils or the council people is being extended by us, and we shall continue to see to it that all the passengers who are flying out from this airport are comfortable. As per the instructions of Government of India, all the departing passengers, international departing passengers, are supposed to fill the self-declaration form in duplicate, as well as their thermal screening is being carried out, as well as their history, their medical conditions are being checked upon, so that any suspected case does not travel through these movements, and anybody who is found likely to be having some problems is to be retained at the Goa itself and to be handed over to the state authority. Entire efforts are on, and we will see to it whatever best we can do for the guests who are stranded in Goa. They are duly taken care for and sent to their destinations. Thank you.
That's exactly right. We're helping 300 British nationals return home today, and this is going to be the first of 7 flights taking place across India this week. However, we know that there are many thousands more British nationals in Goa, very eager to get home, and we're working around the clock to make sure that we get flights for those as soon as possible.
Sir, how much satisfied with the facilities that got you to the passengers in Goa, sir?
We're incredibly grateful for all the support that we've received from the Goa authorities and from the airport to enable us to organise these flights and to get all of these British nationals home.
I've had a great time here. The people we've been looking after at Patnam Beach have been wonderful. Going back home to a very similar situation, so it's, as a citizen, to go back to your country, it's probably more beneficial, but it's the same in India as it is in England.
How long have you been here?
Only for 6 weeks. Only 6 weeks. We're meant to be here about 6 weeks, so it's worked out about the same.
Thank you, sir.
Have you found any trouble in getting essentials while you were in Goa or anything?
No, the people we stay with, the Bamboo Yoga Retreat, have been really amazing. They've looked after us really, really well, and we've kind of felt in it at the same time, like everyone's in the same situation, very similar situation. That's how we felt anyway.
Are you happy with the special charter flights that the UK government has now arranged for while there is a lockdown? So at least some of them can go back, if not all of them.
Yeah, it's nice to have the option to go back for sure. Yeah, that's great.
Okay, thank you.